Hello students, now we are looking at equations with fractions. Equations with fractions. You are given this, solve the equation 1 over 3a minus 1 equals 2 over a plus 1 minus 3 over 8. Now when you talk of equation will have an equality sign. So this is an equation because it is having equality sign. So this is equal to this. So now on this side, this is a fraction. On this side, you are now having another fraction. Let's first of all solve this side like we are solving fraction. So we have 1 over 3a minus 1 equals, when you have the LCM of a plus 1 times 8 will give us 8 times a plus 1. So how many a plus 1 can you see in this? So you are like, this one will cancel this, remaining 8. That 8 times 2 will give us 16 minus how many 8 can you see in 8 times a plus 1? Realize that this 8 will cancel it, meaning a plus 1. A plus 1 times 3, that means minus 3 into bracket a plus 1. So we first of all resolve this side. So that means we have 1 over 3a minus 1 equals 16 minus 3 times a will give us 3a. Minus times plus will give us minus. 3 times 1 will give us 3. So over, then we are having, open the bracket in the denominator. When you open the bracket, 8 times a will give us 80 plus 8 times 1 will give us 8. So from here, you first of all simplify the numerator here. 6 and minus 3 are constants. So bring them together, 16 minus 3, then minus 3a over 8a plus 8. 16 minus 3 is going to give us 13. Then minus 3a over 8a plus a, it is equal to 1 over 3a minus 1. So from here, the next thing you have to do is to cross multiply. So 1 will multiply what we have in here. This will multiply what it means here. So 1 times 8a plus 8 into bracket is equal to 3a minus 1 times whatever you are left with here, 13 minus 3a. So from here, if you open the bracket here, 1 times 8 is 8a, 1 times this is 8 is equal to, expand this one, 3a times 13 minus 3a minus 1 times 13 minus 3a. So when you open the bracket, you have 8a plus a equals to 3a times 13 is give us 39a. 3a times minus 3a, that is minus 9a squared. Minus 1 times 13 will give us minus 13. Minus times minus 10 will give us plus. 1 times 3a will give us what? 3a. So from here, you are going to collect like terms. So let us bring the one that 8a plus 8 is equal to, if I bring minus 9a in front, so I'm having plus this 3a plus 95. You know the sign in front of this 39 is so plus 39a, then minus 13. So from here I'm having 8a plus 8 equals minus 9a squared. 3a plus 39a is so plus 42a minus 13. So I will now try to bring this one to this other side. This is minus 9a squared here. When this minus 9 comes to this side, turn to plus 9a squared. This I'm having 8a here already. Then this plus 42a. When it comes to meet here, it now turn to minus 42a. Then we having plus 8 here already. This minus 13. When it comes to this side, now having plus 13. Then we are left with 0 here. So that means we having 9a squared. 88a minus 42a will give us minus 34a. 8 plus 13 will give us 21. So from here, you are having a quadratic equation you now factorize. When you factorize, so 9a times 9a times a will give us 9a squared. Minus 7 times minus 3 will give us minus times minus plus 21. Let's check if it give us what is in this place. 9a times minus 3 will give us minus 27a. Then a times minus 7 will give us minus 7a. Minus 27a minus 7a will give us minus 34a. So that means this is a factor. You have a 9a plus 7 and a minus 3. So you have a 9a minus 7 and a minus 3 is equal to 0. So you now solve for a in this situation. So that means 9a minus a is 9a minus 7 equals 0. So if this minus 7 comes here, now turn to plus 7. To get a, you divide both sides by 9. So that means your value for a will be what? 7 over 9. Then a minus 3 is equal to 0. When minus a comes here, now turn to plus 3. So your a will be equal to plus 3. So therefore, the value for your a is either 7 over 9 or plus 3. So for the work practice, you are going to do this. Solve the following equation. 3 over a equals a minus 2. Number 2, you are having 7 over 3 plus 2 over e is equal to e. Number 3, 3x minus 2 equals 4 over x minus 1. Number 4, you are having 4 over w plus 3 minus 3 over w plus 2 is equal to 0. Number 5, 2m plus 3 over 2m plus 5 minus m minus 1 over m minus 2 is equal to 0. Number 6, 3 over c plus 2 minus 2 over 2c minus 3 is equal to 1 over 7. Number 7, 3 over x minus 4 equals 2 over x minus 1 minus 4. Number 8, 11 over m plus 3 equals 5 over 2m minus 1 over m minus 4. Number 9, 1 over 2n minus 3 plus 1 over 2n plus 1 minus 1 over n minus 1 equals 0. Number 10, 4a minus 1 over a plus 4 minus 2 is equal to 2a minus 1 over a plus 2. Please ensure you like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thank you.